Hello and welcome to Camperversions. Today I'm going to be giving you this walk around video on this 19 plate T6 transporter campervan. We built this campervan about 3.5 years ago and we converted it into our Pioneer Plus specification with loads of additional extras. You can see it's got the exterior styling, the Sportline Styling kit, sideboards, alloy wheels. It's a Highline base model with air conditioning, cruise control, reversing sensors. We've also got our Starry Night Ceiling, double seat swivels. We've got the Eberspacher heater. We've also got the slide and store table storage in the door. The van's also been upgraded with a reversing camera. So it's got the pop-top roof, Skyline pop-top roof with the bed, making this a 4-berth. It's also been upgraded with a Ghost Immobiliser. We've also got a dash cam fitted, ready to just be plugged in there underneath the interior mirror. Mileage on this is 26,000. Full service history. Very big spec. If you'd like to inquire about this, please do give us a call. Thank you.